Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Form 8949 import with CoinTracker step by step clearly. To begin activating Form 8949 import with CoinTracker, first, log into your CoinTracker account. Once logged in, navigate to the tax section located in the main menu. In the tax section, look for the option labeled Import Tax Reports. Click on Import Tax Reports to proceed further. Next, you will find different tax forms available for import. Select Form 8949 from the list of options provided. After selecting Form 8949, a prompt will appear to upload your file. Prepare your Form 8949 file, ensuring it is in the correct format. Drag and drop your file into the designated area or click to browse and upload. Once the file is uploaded, CoinTracker will begin processing your data. Wait for the processing to complete. This may take a few moments. After processing, review the imported transactions for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to your transactions if needed. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, finalize your import. You can now generate your tax reports using the imported Form 8949 data. Ensure to save your changes before navigating away from the page. Your Form 8949 is now successfully activated and ready for use in CoinTracker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.